In Google, type Chrome Web Store. So when you will type Chrome Web Store, the first result will come as a Chrome Web Store. Click on that Chrome Web Store. On left hand side in the search bar, type Meet Attendance. So when you will type Meet Attendance and you will enter the keyword, then the result will appear as a Google Meet Attendance with the green color tick mark, and just right hand side in a blue box it is written Add to Chrome. So just click on the Add to Chrome button. Then it will ask for the Add Google Meet Attendance. Then click on the Add Extension. Once you will click the Add Extension, then it will be added to the Chrome extension. Now on the right hand side top corner, on the left hand side of your profile picture, just click on the button of extension and click on the Google Meet Attendance. Then click on the Start a Meet. So when you will click Start a Meet, Google Meet web page will open, and then you can click on the New Meeting, and from that you can start an instant meeting. So when you will start instant meeting, it will ask you for the joining the meeting. So just click on the Join Now. After clicking on Join Now, meeting will be started. You can copy the link to send the participants. Now check the participant list on the right hand side corner. So it will show the participants. Right now I am the only participant, so it is showing only one participant. In a people bar it is showing only one, but the left hand side that extension is open, and in that it is showing the list of participants. Currently it is showing only one participant. If more participants are there, then it will show all the members here. So there are a number of total 5 options. From that the one option is there to save the list attendance as a CSV file. So if you click on that CSV file will be saved, and that will contain all the list, all the participants. We are just opening it. See how it looks. Attendance for the date, class list, name of the participant, its arrival time, when the person has joined. If person will end the meeting, will leave the meeting, then it will show the time of leaving. Again person will join, then also it will show the time when the attendee has joined the meeting. We are closing this. You can save it. One more interesting option is there to save in a HTML format. So save attendance to an HTML file. We'll click on that. So it will be saved in a HTML format. So we are opening this HTML format and how it looks like. See, all the details are there. Here I am the only participant, but if all the participants are there, then with the timeline it will show the full attendance, joining time, end time, and for how much duration of time the person stayed. So this report you can print it out and you can keep it in your files also, and you can save as a soft copy. So this is how you can use this extension to take the attendance of all the attendee or students in the Google Meet. Thank you.